this marvelous old flat bridge way out in the country on a cement road built in the 20s or 30s, right over a little ford where the people used to drive over the stream. Right here, nice little bridge. On my morning bike ride in the center of the country, in the buffalo prairie lands of Missouri. These are the native lands, the buffalo lands. This is water that used to have hundreds of buffalo grazing and drinking along it. The water's quite low, but you can see how high it could get from time to time. And we come down here and put our feet in the sweet water and get refreshed in the cool of the day in the morning while we spend our peace time. Dosiditi de bakara bakoto koto.